Good evening, family. I'm going to give you a tour. We put up a fence around our fruit trees. This was long overdue. We still got a little bit to do, but for the most part, it is finished. The deer was having a field day with my fruit trees. Blueberry leaves, elderberry leaves. A lot of this is scrap wood. We use the cattle panel instead of the regular fencing. And it's pretty big. It's about 32 by 18, something to that nature. As far as the length is concerned, we need to put a little latch on in here. But right now, I'm just using bungees to keep it closed. And as you can see, it is pretty big. It really runs the span of it. And I still have a lot of space to plant more fruit trees or berries. That is an apple tree that I've had forever and a day that has yet to really take off, really, because the deer was eating the leaves. That is a Pakistani mulberry. Got a little bit of fruit off of that, but we cut it off right here. I really wanted it to come back here, but it's good. The wood chips that I had put down last year really did a great job at conditioning the soil, because this is hard clay and we had been having problems or struggling just to dig holes. But I can see a big difference in a year with the wood chips down in the area when we were digging the holes. I still have, which I have to dig up. You can probably barely see it right there and right here. I think those are raspberries and blackberries. So I'll dig those up and put those in the fence, because for sure, as soon as they get some type of leaves, the deer will come around and try to eat them up. So, as you can see, it really is a pretty big space. And if I really tightly plant a lot of trees or fruit trees, I probably can get more in here than I would like. I'll probably move a few things around in the fall, or so that it can acclimate until next spring. That over there is that wood chip pile that I had, part of what I had been spreading out there. It's really, I really beat it down. So, and I've been doing it manually, which is kind of my exercise. Hard work, guys, hard work. So it's been here for a while. That's why it's taken me so long. So if you can see here, it's pretty big. I watched the few deers come through yesterday, and it was kind of funny to watch them do a double take. It could be my little sick humor, a double take at the fence, like, what's going on? What is that right there? But I'm so happy with it, because I can really start getting nice harvest from my fruit. So even if you come in, nectarine tree to the right, persimmon behind the persimmon. This is a nectarine. This is the persimmon. These are some grass that I pulled up, and that's another thing. When you drop the mulch, you can literally just pull weeds, grass, everything up without any equipment at all, because the soil is so conditioned, it just pulls right out of the ground. Again, persimmon, blueberry. As you can see, the deers have ate that. This is an elderberry. Another blueberry deers were getting onto. That's an apple tree. I'll probably have to prune that this year. Can't remember what it is. It's an Arkansas Black. I saw a few fruit once or twice, but they never came to maturity. And this is another raspberry, blackberry, not sure, but that's on the inside of the fence. My Pakistani mulberry. Again, another blueberry the deer had a feast. Another small blueberry. This is my jujube. Blueberry, that one's doing okay. And a blueberry there. And that little small patch of grass or whatever, there is an elderberry bush there that the deer had eaten down. So I'm excited, and hopefully we'll get that back. And then this is my jujube here. I think it needs water. And this is my other elderberry that the deer was having a feast on. I just took the white netting off of it. We're supposed to be getting a little rain, so that'll be great for it. So let's get... oh wow, this is a big space. I'm excited about it. I was thinking about maybe putting some vines on the fence, the fencing. Maybe something the deer don't like, but what could that be? They eat just about anything unless they're starving. Maybe something that's very fragrant. I hear they don't like fragrant flowers or things like that. But again, guys, this is the update on my fruit orchard. We put a fence around it. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about the space and what else I can do with it and plant with it. Guys, give me some suggestions of some fast growing fruits or berries that you may think I may like. I'm in zone 8A, so it'll have to be good for that. Thank you guys for watching. Keep gardening.